Hello everyone, Storm101 here. Today I am outside my house covering a line of severe thunderstorms that will be getting here pretty soon. Right now they are pretty much about, I will say about 40 miles away, and lightning's pretty visible. It's pretty consistent lightning. This is crazy. This is not cloud to ground lightning, this is overhead. And I can see lightning strikes across the sky, which is really cool. So, and this is going to be really busy. I do not have a severe thunderstorm warning for me yet. It is 11:20 Eastern Standard Time. Oh man, there's clouds in there. Full of little puffy clouds. Yeah, that's actually really cool. We might be able to see a shelf cloud. We're going to see, but the lightning is awesome here. And wind can be gusting up to 60 miles per hour, maybe a little bit more than that, and we could probably see some hail tonight. So yeah, this is really cool to see here with this consistent lightning, and it goes from there all the way down that way. So I'm not gonna be able to catch all of this things, like it's most intense right here, so keep our eyes on that light there, which is the house up there. Some of you guys probably didn't know. So yeah, this is going to be really cool. And my plan is to videotape all this. Is going to be in the garage door right there. So that way, because that light will turn on, you'll see the basketball go on and stuff. If you haven't seen my latest, storm video, whatever you want to call it, I did in the same spot, and that was actually pretty successful. Man, I wish this was in the daytime. I think I saw my man's clouds right over here. And the lightning is so cool, though, I gotta say. And I believe they said these storms are moving about 50 miles per hour. Wow. Yeah, these storms are moving like 50 miles per hour. So yeah, these storms are moving very quickly to the southeast. So I really need to watch what I'm doing here, because I can likely get myself killed with this intense lightning. Very dangerous storm, but we're going to really enjoy this lightning show. They'll be in here in probably about 15 to 20 minutes or so, so I'll be cutting in and out, because I can do about 45 minutes of videotaping. So this is going to be probably the best storm of the year for me. And I believe there's a shelf cloud developing over that way. Seeing some lightning, seeing my man's clouds. It's going to be very noisy. There's going to be tons of lightning in this storm, so this storm's going to be very dangerous. Yeah, there's a shelf cloud. We'll see if we get another lightning strike over here. It's going to be hard to tell. Right above this house, next door. There you go. Not really a well-defined shelf cloud, but there's definitely something there. I'll have to look back at the video and pause it to see what that's going to be like. Yeah. what's really concerning me is this: the most intense lightning is right over there, and that's heading right towards me. And the least intense lightning is over here. So it's not looking good for me right now. Yeah, a lot of these lightning strikes are pretty visible. No severe thunderstorm warning for me yet, but I heard something to my left. I think it's cows. Yeah, those are cows. That's what I'm hearing. They're on the other side of the fence. I can actually see them walking on the other side of the road. You guys better hurdle up, man. It's gonna be a rough ride here in a moment, especially for the cows. That really sucks. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, these storms are moving quick, so I gotta start getting inside because I was getting a little close. A little close for comfort. Hearing a lot of strange noises. That's for sure. Here, I'm going to do something very quickly. I'm going to move some of these fences and stuff, some of these loose objects here out of the way, so I will be right back. Alright, I just moved some stuff out of the way, and we're also going to have that light on, just turned off on me. Yeah. Lightning is very intense. Well, continuous. There's no really sign of a shelf cloud or anything like that. I believe there's a severe thunderstorm warning. Oh, there's a tornado warning for Bloomfield. Oh, shoot. Well, I know where that is. It is heading right towards me. Oh, boy. Hold on a minute, guys. I'll be right back. I need to do some radar imagery, stuff like that, to know where that tornado warning is. That actually might be heading right towards me. So be right back. Alright, so you can hear the tornado sirens going off. That is for a severe thunderstorm warning I am in right now. I do not know what the winds are going to be, what's forecasted, but I got some really bad news. Seems like the storm has gained intensity a lot, and I mean a lot, so the lightning is more intense. More bad news is this tornado warning is facing right to my direction, so we might be in a little bit of trouble here. So this is really getting me concerned. And as you can see here, the lightning is getting really ridiculous. So I should be starting to go in because this is really losing my comfort right now. So I don't know if you guys hear tornado sirens, but that is just for the severe thunderstorm warning I am in. So again, do not know what the winds are going to be. Yeah, so yeah, I cannot get off the phone here and take a look, because then it will stop the recording, unless I want to do a part 2 or something like that. we might do a part 2 of this here, just for the safety. Yeah, the lightning is crazy. Yeah, I'm starting to see a shelf cloud in the distance. Ooh, this is really scaring me, guys. Wow. I wish it was daytime though, so that way I could see what's going on, but I should probably go in. So yeah, we're not in a good situation right now. And we'll see if that tornado warning gets expanded to my area. If it does, we're going to be in it for a rough ride. So I do have notifications from the National Weather Service to see just in case if I get into a tornado warning. I don't know what the winds are going to be with this storm for right now. Here goes the tornado sirens going off, turning off. The dogs are going crazy. They really woke up the dogs in it. So yeah, this is going to be a pretty scary situation here, guys. So I'll give you... What was that? That's someone else. Yeah, this... I'll try and see if there could be another lightning strike, see where the leading edge is. Man, them dogs are going crazy. And plus with coyotes, it's not a good sign, isn't it? Oof. Yeah, the dogs are not having a good time. Dang. That really sucks. It's really gonna suck for the cows, too. I can actually see the shelf cloud. Yeah, I can. Yep, it's coming. It's coming. The lightning it passes the shelf cloud. Holy crap. It's pretty well defined, too. See, we're gonna see.